consultation for the 17 Lok Sabha election with candidates and political parties. I want to challenge just one thing. In that challenge is that the election we are going to face now, this fight will be a tough fight. Not for the position, but for our identity as a Naga, for our identity as a Christian in the larger context of Indian situation in the global world. This battle will be tough because the present MPs that we have in India, in the time indicated, they are bringing the policy of threatening our identity, our survival, our faith, even bringing a change in our basic rights as a secular democracy in the land. And therefore, I wanted to tell our candidates that this battle will be a battle, a fight, not just for the position, but our survival aspect. NPCC has choose clean election campaign not for our benefit, not for or against any political parties, but we choose this policy. If we have been debating, we are talking about this clean election campaign from the last previous election. Just we wanted to maintain the word that we are Christian, not just by the words alone, but by our actions. Today, unfortunately, with all the good name that we have, a state with 100% Christian happen to be one of the most corrupt society in India. And I think we all wish to transform these things, bringing a change from me. I was talking with one of the friends here today, repeating one of the programs that we have conducted, which says, change myself first, change here first, change small things first, change until the end. If we understand that principles of change, if we adopt that policy, the principles of clean election, that let us be honest in our dealings with yourself, with myself, with others, with God. So once again, you know that we will be casting good on 11 April. Let your good be a good to decide the survival to maintain the identity of the Naga. It will be agent of change.